So for today's video, we're gonna do a kind of like violet theme, but more like Mauve. Mauve? Mauve? Mauve ang tawag sa itong violet, diba? This one? I think so. Move on to the video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our LOL Lots of Love face primer. It costs 99.50 pesos and it can be bought on Watson stores. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use our teeth to cut the tape and put it near our eye. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our Essence All About Roses palette, which costs 379 pesos, and we're gonna get that violet or mauve color, then put it on our crease, and same with the other eye. I'm gonna choose this color. I'm gonna put that violet shimmery shade on our lower lid, and same with the other eye, of course. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna, of course, put eyeliner on, which is the main purpose of that tape, so I can properly put eyeliner on. And I kinda super extended the wing of the eyeliner, but it's okay because I'm gonna do it like Cleopatra eyeliner inspired something. Yeah, because eyeliner is life. We're now removing the tape, and it got smudged, but it's okay because it made a line that we can follow, so we can clean it up. Yeah, I feel so cool that I created the other eye like cool, while the other one is meh. Actually, dipped into remember the violet shimmery color? I dip into that and put it as my highlight. Gonna put it on a highlight on my tear duct and to my brow bone, or more like eyebrows. What they call beauty gurus call brow bone. Yeah, gonna use the same color as my highlight. The next thing is I dip into the dark violet color and put it on the side of my eyelid to give our eyes depth. We're gonna use our Everbelana Thick Lash Mascara, which costs 95 pesos. I actually like this mascara because it's cheap and good quality. It makes my lashes look thicker and darker. We're now using our Pro Flawless Finish Foundation by Everbelana, which costs 195 pesos. And its shade is Oriental, which is a little lighter than my shade, but seriously, who gets the perfect Morena shade with our local brands? None. So it's okay to have a little bit lighter shade. And I'm using a sponge to blend them and to also avoid my eyeshadow. The next thing we're gonna use is my BYS concealer. My shade is medium to dark and it costs around 300 pesos. I actually forgot BYS is available in Watson's drugstores because BYS is a drugstore brand. I think so because it's available in drugstores. We're just gonna put it on our eye bags and pupils and places that need highlight. we're gonna be using my all clear compact powder from the Face Shop. I actually don't know how much it is, but my shade is beige, and I don't know how the price because it's a gift from my uncle last Christmas. It actually has SPF 30 PA++. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is, of course, bake using our Johnson's baby powder. It's available everywhere, and we all know that it's cheap and really good. Yeah, we're gonna kind of coat our concealer with the powder. Yes. So after like putting the powder, of course we need to like wait for 5 minutes so it can brighten our face somehow. Yeah. We're removing the powder and look how our face brightened. Now our face is kind of brightened. We're gonna put contour and blush, of course. I'm actually using a contour and blush set that I just bought here near our house, in a shop near our house. Yeah, I forgot the price, around, I don't know. I'm just stamping the powder, the blush. I actually like blush because it gives life to our whole face. I'm just putting on the sides just to give a little life. Yeah. So now we're gonna do highlights, baby. We're back at our Essence palette, and yeah, since that white shade doesn't really give a glow, we're gonna get that pink shimmer shade, and yeah, it gave us a subtle glow, which is kind of pretty. As you can see, it's not blinding, but it's just so pretty pinkish. It's just good for, yeah, it's just good. And I like the glow, the subtle glow. Putting some lip liner. After lip liner, we're gonna use our coloring in the shade Gotta Go. I actually love this matte lipstick because it's nude color, and I live for nudes. Even though it like the smell, because it has this smell that kind of kills people, I still love it. This is the final look, guys. I'm freaking feeling this look, and I really like it. I know, I love this look so much. I don't know, it's just so pretty and cool for me. Look at me like using a fan to give that wind effect. I'm so stupid, and yeah, I'm just feeling it. Like this video, give us a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some suggestions. Tapos share to your friends, and follow me on my social media account at HNNaJin. Yeah, it's like Hannah Jin without A. By the way, I have a Tumblr, Jin Loves Herself. I sometimes post there my looks. Looks like I will do a tutorial sometimes. So yeah, you can follow me on Tumblr, Instagram, IG, and Instagram was IG too. I'm so weird. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Snapchat is at HSheen and Muring. Yes, people. So bye bye everyone. This is Jin Nitro.